Today I'm going to share a decision that might sound a bit unconventional. I turned down a 4.8 LPA job offer and accepted a 3 LPA offer instead. It might seem like a risky move, but stick with me for the next 5 minutes and I will explain why I believe it was the right choice. By the end of this video, you might even see things from my perspective and consider a similar approach if you find yourself in a comparable situation. This video is divided into 3 parts. Number 1, the 6 criteria. The 6 crucial factors from my 7-point checklist that influenced my decision. Number 2, salary breakdown. A detailed breakdown of what I would have actually taken home with the 4.8 LP offer. And number 3, final thoughts. Why I prioritized the 3 LP offer over the 4.8 LP offer. Part 1, the 6 criteria. Let's see, first one, convenience. Location is everything. A job that's hard to reach can become a daily grind. In my case, the 3LP job was just a short commute away, saving me hours and reducing daily stress. This convenience was a major win. Number 2, work culture. I am looking at a long-term career, so a positive work environment is crucial. The company I chose boasts a fantastic work culture and a supportive team. Plus, I have found that positive thinking and manifestation can really influence your work life if you know how to do it. Number 3, equipment. It might surprise you, but some companies don't provide essential equipment like laptops. My chosen company provides one necessary tech, which means I am fully equipped and focused on my work without additional expense. Number 4, no dress code. If you hate formals like me, you can understand my happiness. Number 5, time saver. The 3LPA job eliminates a 3 to 4 hour daily commute from previous offer. This saved time translate into better work-life balance, allowing me to focus on personal growth and spending quality time with loved ones. Number 6, work-life balance. Weekends are important to me and I think for you also, right? The company I chose offers a standard 2-day weekend, unlike some other companies that required extra work on weekends. This balance is crucial for maintaining my mental and physical health. Number 7, dream company. While I didn't land my top dream company, I have quickly realized that this company is a great fit for me. Loving where you work is more important than just a prestigious name. Note it. Well, quick lessons from my part 1. Aim for a job that ticks off a majority of criteria rather than waiting for perfect 10 on 10. If a job meets 80 to 90% of your needs, it's likely a good fit. Part 2, the salary breakdown. Let's break down the financial aspect of the 4.8 LP offer quickly, okay? Gross salary, you can say 40,000 per month. Let's take that as in hand also. Expenses, rent 15,000, food 7,000, miscellaneous 3,000. Almost you can say 25,000 overall expense. Remaining is 15,000. So in my case, I would only left with the 15,000 in my hand. However, this does not include the cost of relocating, leaving behind family, friends and comfort. Important takeaway, a high salary isn't always the end goal. Consider how relocation and other important factors impact your overall well-being and expenses. And the last part 3, the final decision. You might think the higher salary would lead to better future opportunity, but for me, work-life balance took precedence. What's the point of high salary if it affects your health, if it takes away your health from yourself, family time and personal happiness? Choosing the 3LP offers means I have to go to the office on time, live on time and maintain a balanced life. The decision allows me to invest in my personal well-being, family and hobbies. Listen, if you are interested in mastering your finances and making informed decisions like I did, make sure to subscribe our channel Master Your Cash. Here we provide practical personal finance advice that helps you make smarter choices for the long term, and don't miss out on valuable insights that can transform your financial life.